What's up, folks? Mark Lux, Deluxe Motorsports, Saturday afternoon. I just wanted to show you real quick on this 2016 Chevy 2500 Duramax that we're having coming up for sale. Should be for sale next week. Just got to finish up in inspection, service, detail. So anyway, it's a 2016, 42,000 original miles. I'm not going to get in depth on the upgrades. You can go to our website at www.dlux-motorsports.com to see all the upgrades that are on the truck. Should be individualized on there. So if you got any questions, you can call us direct, 540-898-1300. You can reach out to us on the website as well, www.delux-motorsports.com. And also you can shoot us an email. It's company name, deluxemotorsports@gmail.com. So again, this is a 2015 Duramax 2500 series with just over 42,000 original miles. Gorgeous, gorgeous truck inside and out. Fully loaded LTZ.